so back with Evan's SC.
Yeah, so yesterday we had some issues with the dyno. We had maybe a boost leak on his at the new turbo, so fix that up. Probably need to turn the boost back down a couple more turns now.
Okay.
But yeah, I think we should be ready to make a good power pull right away, hopefully.
And a new turbo from Comp Turbo, right?
Yes, sir. All ball bearing. Nice. Hopefully it should do even better. It was definitely spooling very early yesterday. Like, I think we might have picked up 1,000 RPMs or something.
Wow.
Like, we were building positive pressure at 2,700 RPMs. It was at a pound, 2 pounds. Like,
yeah.
And then I think 5 pounds by 3,500 or so. Like, pretty low. I'll have to revisit that once we go full throttle. But I would like to overlay and show how much sooner the ball bearing is sliding off. Yeah, it's definitely going to help them out.
All right, let's make some power. Oh, and we might get some two-step action today.
We will definitely do some two-step action.
Sweet. Here we go. Because of the boost leak up, so I got some. No boost. How much boost was that? I will tell you in a second.
That's a good look for you, dude. I like that. That's a good look. It's good, dude.
It's like 14 psi.
Only 14 psi.
Yeah, 14 psi, and running very, very rich at that moment. So. Basically didn't go up there though.
Really?
Yeah, I mean that's okay. It went up a tiny bit, but like,
what is it now?
So 210 kPa is like 16 and a half or something. Like,
well, we have done 720 degrees the other way.
Yeah. So
like we're way,
which is what I
down.
Which is what I wanted it to be.
Right.
Yeah. So yeah, we have a nice, safe, rich base right now. Okay. I saved it. Evan, new turbo, straight gate, stable. You know, like if we ever need to go back, we know that that's a good set. Yeah.
Okay.
So now just
oil pressure, is it good?
I'm pulling. Yeah. Honestly, I haven't been watching it, but yeah, it's good. So yeah, we just I'm just gonna pull fuel away, and I think go ahead and twist it up 180 degrees right now. More boost. Alright, so Ethan's doing his normal spark plug check right now?
Yes, sir.
turn.
So we're all finished up with Evan's car. We wanted to give y'all a show of the final numbers and the graph. Wow.
552 torque and 518 horsepower. We didn't expect to make a lot more horsepower because it's really the same size of turbo.
Yep.
Only changes that it was ball bearing. So
power comes on a little sooner.
We did make a little bit more torque a little sooner, and we did make a little bit more horsepower. But yeah, definitely. Evan already drove this, in fact, on the street, and it definitely, he remarked that it feels much better.
That feels a lot better. Yeah?
Better. Cool.
Yeah.
And, so props to Comp Turbo for the ball bearing. Good setup, working well.
Absolutely.
And ready to get this thing out to some track use.
All right, guys. Well, hey, if y'all are new to the channel, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and that big thumbs up, and we'll see you for the next episode of Tuned.
Tune this car, but I want to go over the specifics of how to read your spark plugs for fueling, for ignition timing, and know that you're safe to move forward, or you know, have you gone a little too far, and how to read those plugs and make a decision based on what you see.